everybody, it is Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center in DFW. We are a dealership, a part of Vogt RV World, where we house our Day One Service Initiative and enroll our customers in our VRV family membership for 12 months on us. You guys, today I am super excited. I have a 2025 Storyteller Dark Mode in the Tannerite Gray color. We're on the 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, all-wheel drive from Mercedes. And then here on our driver's side, we do have our Storyteller step with the ladder as well. Up top we have our walkable panel, which is super fun for those adventures, whether you want to store something up there, go up there and see, like we did the solar eclipse, stargazing, anything of that sort. It's really fun up there. Just be safe. On the back side here, we have our nVader racks. These are super great. You can put any storage boxes on here, bike racks, spare tire holder, anything that you could possibly need, with the Updog step to help you get into the unit as well. Coming along on our passenger side, we do have our nice dark mode emblems, and then we go right into the unit here. We have our honeycomb table for the outside. They have changed their colors for the 2025, a little bit lighter. I love it, and you will too. So come on, let's go inside. All right, here in the Mercedes cab area, we still have all of our great features that they have carried on since the 2024 model. So your adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, tire pressure monitoring system, all of that. I have the rest posted next to me, so please pause, take a look at those. Still have our swivel seats that are heated, which is super nice, especially in the winter or for any back pain. I love them. Let's head over here into our cab area. We do have our Storyteller Mode Com. Made by them. It has all of your systems in here. You can see how much longer we're not plugged in. So we have about a day going. See where your tanks are at, any lighting choices. These are all dimmable, and then you can put your presets as well. Climate here, where you can control your heat, AC, and then your vent system. You have your magic climate, so that will kind of alternate. If you're somewhere where it's super hot during the day, it'll stay on cool. Then at night, if it gets colder, it's going to switch on to the heat, and then vice versa, which is really great. And then your snooze button there. Here we have our Groove Lounge. This can be put into 5 different modes of origin. So I'll show you all of those here in a second, but you're going to have your driver mode right here with your 2 seat belts for any passengers that you have. You can do your chill mode, your hangout mode, and then your, reverse recliner, and then your front recliner, bed system. You have so many different types of versatilities with this, and I'm happy to show you guys, and I'm super excited. So let's get started. Ta-da! Got some people over, or you guys just want to have a hangout moment. Here you go. You got this in this position, which I like to call the chill mode. Give me just a bit. Let me get the other one. And if you just want to relax, you can do it in a forward-facing recliner. And then give me just one moment. Then when you're ready to go to sleep, just lay it back down. But you still have one more thing that you can do. Here we go. Now, if you're having a party in the back and you want to face the back, guess what? You can do that too with the recliner. You know what's also really great? Your fridge is right here. Easy access for anything that you could possibly need. I believe I was told that it holds about 52 of the 12 ounces. Now, what that is for you, that is for you. For me, it's going to be a nice Dr. Pepper Zero. So here we're going to go into our galley area. We do have our really big sink in here, very deep. You have your collapsible faucet. With the cabinetry, I love it. Storyteller thinks of everything. It's soft close, induction cooktop. I love that it has its own little personal holder. It's super nice. Look at that. As I mentioned, the soft close. Here you can really easy access for anything that you possibly, so if you had to, or service center needs to do it, they make it simple for anybody to get in there to be able to do what they need to do, and any fixes that may need to come up in the galley area. What's also super nice, solid surface countertop here, and then look how simple that was. Even I can do it. I'm not saying that I'm not smart. Now, coming here to the middle of the portion for the van, we have our Halo shower here. So down below, you're going to have your water box. You're going to remove it or unlatch it from your Yeti style latch there. Tons of goodies. Your portable cassette toilet that you'll have in here. You'll take this out for whenever you're ready to take your shower. Up here in this top cabinet will be your halo shower curtain. So you're just going to drop the back portion to be able to give you some more space. Unlatch here, and then your curtain will just drop down, and then you'll pull this out. Ta-da! You have gotten your shower. Now with the shower curtain, it's really nice because it's designed not to touch you whenever you are taking a shower. You can remove it so that way you can wash it. They do recommend, you know, washing this every, I think like couple of weeks, couple of days, just depending. It's designed not to get that mold. What's really cool is that you can take this off and then you know kind of air dry it out, so you're not having your shower here open, taking up some space. Also, the really cool thing about this is that you can remove your shower mechanism, and if you didn't need a shower inside of your unit, since you do have the outdoor shower, or you're just using this kind of as a cargo van to get to and fro, you can use this as a storage compartment, you know, removing your halo shower, being able to have extra storage in here as well, which is super nice. So here's your halo shower. Coming back here, we're gonna have our bed system, and then more storage. These storage compartments back here are all removable. It's just going to be a simple couple screws, unhooking the wires, and then you can take those off since it's just on the L track. Put any soft storage that you may need or want, or anything else that you need for that trip. All right, so as I mentioned, we get back into this garage space bed area. You do have a lot of space underneath to store anything that you may need, bikes, totes, any storage compartments that you want to put in here, anything that needs to be latched down, stuff like that. Right now I have the bed into half position, so depending if you're just traveling alone or whomever, you can just use one side and then keep the other side open. Please don't roll off. But I'm going to show you something else that you can do with this. Give me just a second. Here we go. So working along the road, if you needed something of a stand-up desk, you can utilize that space back here. All you're going to do is just remove your back cushion. This got shown to me. I thought that was really great, because if you just wanted a standing desk, but you kind of wanted just to relax, for me, I have a lot of upper back issues, mainly for how I sit in my chair, but that's neither here nor there. You can, you know, have a cushion back here. So you just switch it from the other side, be able to work here as you need, you know, put a chair in here, whatever you need to do for your type of camping, your type of travels. This is so versatile. It's awesome. You have so many things that you can do with this, and just to see how people upfit their units or how they utilize them, it's really cool to see. So give me just a second. Let me put the bed down for you. Here we go. Now you have your bed system. The new design that Storyteller had done with this back part of the mattress has been one of my favorites, because before it kind of stuck out a little bit and impeded into your galley area or even out here. But it's kind of a little bent piece here, so you can tuck that away whenever you push this back up. Underneath here on the other side, we do have our lockable storage. So good for anything, you know, valuable stuff like that. Under your Groove Lounge, you do have another code safe. So there are a lot of little hidden Easter eggs, that I like to call them, that you can do to keep all of your items valuable, safe. If you're here in Texas, you know. Right above us, we do have our Coleman AC. What's really great about this is it's going to help pull out that humidity that you may have within your coach. I know here in Texas, especially right now, we are feeling it. Down in Houston area, you know, kind of closer to the water, you may get that humid texture, and it's just gross. Also on here, you have 16.8 kilowatts of lithium power. It is with the Lithionics battery system. Super great, because they have an app that you can have on your phone to be able to check your batteries and to a more detailed history. You also have a 21-gallon freshwater tank, and then on your driver's side, kind of underneath your ladder area, is going to be your gray, where you have a 24-gallon tank. It also has a steel plate, and what that is there for is to protect it for any debris, rocks, or you know, anything that may cause damage to it. Also, with your hydronics heating system, it has the furnace right there, so it's going to be able to heat that and then be able to heat your tank, so it stays warm, happy, and doesn't you know, freeze, you know, unless we're kind of in those like really cold areas about negatives, then you may have a little bit. But you guys, I've been really excited to show you guys around this unit and what the new upgrades that Storyteller had done for their 2025 models in the dark mode. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you've made it this far, we do really appreciate it. Please leave a comment down below of what your favorite thing is about the dark mode or just Storyteller in general. We would love to hear. Along with that comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you down the line for some more videos. Happy camping!